Hey guys, so I've rinsed the hair to get any product that was in the hair out. I am now going to add my Adore Platinum, what is this, semi-permanent hair color to the hair. So I'm going to be using the water method, so I'm going to add some water in the pan right now, and then I apply the color. So keep on watching. Alright, so again, I'm now going to add the color to the water. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I want to use one pack, if even one bottle. My Jamaican stay, let nothing go to waste, so I'm squeezing everything from the bottle. And this look like strong purple. Once I feel like everything is mixed out properly, I'm going to go and add the hair to the water. I'm not seeing any grains, anything in the bottom, so I'm gonna add the hair to the water now. Shit, it's turning. Shucks, gray. That's how it's looking. I want everywhere to be covered. I'm gonna get a comb and how the hair is looking after one bottle of the rinse or dye. I love the color as it is right now, but I think I want to turn these parts, the root parts, platinum a little bit. This is how the hair was looking after one bottle of the rinse of the dye. I think I want to turn, it's looking pretty good, but I think I want to turn the roots platinum a little bit more, so I'm going to add some more of another bottle. All right, so the hair is now looking platinum or gray as I want it to be, so I'm now gonna rinse it out. All right guys, so this is how the hair was looking after dyeing it platinum. I cannot tell you how much I love this color, and I get compliments all the time. Let me know how you feel about this color in the comments. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.